In this video of Virgin Review, I am going to review High Sierra Reverend Wheeled Backpack. If you want to know more or buy one, check Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's see. The High Sierra Reverend features a book-style opening, which makes packing your gear easier than ever. The Reverend has smooth rolling wheels, and a telescoping handle for easy transport. When the terrain gets rough, use the hidden backpack straps for an additional carry option. This is a fully featured pack that provides storage for all of your digital and travel items. A fully padded cushion zone laptop compartment accommodates most 17-inch models. A dedicated tech spot sleeve provides an ideal space for your tablet. Backpack straps are stored behind the zippered back panel. Multiple pockets including a zippered mesh pocket, pen pockets, lidded media pocket and key fob hook are perfect for keeping all of your smaller items secure. The Reverend is the perfect travel companion for any adventure. You can choose the backpack for you. If you want to know price, check the Amazon link on video description. Thank you. Stay tuned with us by subscribing.